The driver's cabin of the California high-speed rail, Central Valley segment Bakersfield to Merced represents one of the most advanced train control environments ever developed in the United States. It is not just a workspace, it is a digital command center built with precision, safety, and futuristic design principles that rival the cockpits of modern aircraft. As you step inside the cabin, you are immediately surrounded by a sense of order, innovation, and quiet confidence. The atmosphere feels both technical and luxurious, with every inch of the interior crafted to merge human comfort with high-performance functionality. At the heart of the cabin lies the central control console, a curved panel that wraps slightly around the driver, allowing quick access to every major control without unnecessary movement. The surfaces are matte finished, minimizing glare from sunlight that floods through the large, aerodynamically contoured windshield. The main dashboard houses a collection of touchscreen digital displays, each showing critical real-time information: train speed, traction power, braking pressure, door status, and track conditions ahead. These screens are not cluttered, they are clean, color-coded, and responsive, designed to give instant clarity even at speeds exceeding 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour. The primary display sits directly in front of the driver's seat, serving as the core navigation interface, while auxiliary panels flank both sides for backup systems and diagnostics. The driver's seat itself is a masterpiece of ergonomic engineering. Wrapped in soft black leather and stitched with silver thread, it adjusts in multiple directions to match any operator's body type. The headrest bears a subtle California high-speed rail emblem, embossed into the leather, a small detail that adds identity and pride to the workstation. Beneath the seat lies a vibration-dampening mount that reduces micro-movements even at top speeds, allowing the operator to maintain precision control and focus without fatigue during long runs through the Central Valley. The footrest and pedals are made of brushed aluminum, designed for durability and comfort, while the floor uses anti-slip composite material resistant to oil, heat, and dust. To the left of the driver's seat, a compact control column contains emergency buttons, communication switches, and manual override levers. These are used rarely but maintained meticulously. To the right, the data interface console connects to the onboard diagnostics system, the electronic heart of the train. It constantly monitors traction motors, braking systems, pantographs, and energy consumption, sending updates to both the driver and the remote operations center in real time. The seamless integration between onboard and ground systems ensures that every movement of the train is synchronized with the overall rail network, enhancing safety and reliability. One of the most striking features of the cabin is the front windshield, a wide panoramic glass panel that provides a commanding forward view. Its curvature reduces drag while offering a distortion-free perspective of the track. The glass is multi-layered, sound-insulated, and coated with nanoceramic film to block UV rays and infrared heat. When the train accelerates through California's Central Valley, this view transforms into a breathtaking visual experience. The landscape flows past in a blur of golden fields, wind turbines, and distant mountains. The driver witnesses the power of motion not as a spectator, but as the conductor of an engineering symphony. The lighting system inside the cabin is subtle yet purposeful. A mix of ambient LEDs and overhead task lights ensures that the control surfaces are always visible without harsh glare. At night, the panels glow in shades of deep blue and soft white, a color combination chosen to reduce eye strain and enhance focus. Emergency lighting lines the edges of the cabin floor, automatically activating in case of system faults or sudden stops. The result is an interior that feels alive, intelligent, and adaptable to any operational scenario. Behind the driver's chair, there's a compact observation area, not for passengers, but for engineers or inspectors who occasionally monitor performance. This space includes a foldable seat, a storage compartment for manuals, and a small workstation that links to the onboard computer network. The materials throughout the cabin maintain a consistent theme: white panels with brushed metal accents, black seating, and soft blue lighting details that match the train's external color scheme. The cabin is both minimalist and sophisticated, reflecting the larger aesthetic of the California high-speed rail program: modern, clean, and purpose-driven. From a technological standpoint, the driver's cabin is equipped with multiple layers of automation and redundancy. The train's control system includes automatic train protection (ATP), automatic train operation (AUTO), and communication-based train control (CBTC), advanced systems that maintain speed, spacing, and safety autonomously. The driver's role is to monitor, command, and respond, rather than manually control every second of operation. This balance between automation and human oversight allows for smooth, safe journeys even under complex traffic or weather conditions. The train can automatically regulate speed limits, initiate emergency braking, and maintain safe headways without driver intervention, but the cabin always allows immediate manual override if required. The communication systems are equally impressive. A digital radio network links the train with central dispatch centers in real time, using encrypted channels to transmit voice, data, and video feeds. A built-in intercom connects the driver to onboard staff and passengers in case of announcements or emergencies. The sound quality is crystal clear even at maximum speed, thanks to noise cancellation technology embedded within the communication modules and cabin walls. The walls themselves are lined with multi-layer acoustic insulation, a combination of fiberglass and sound-absorbing polymer sheets, which keeps the cabin astonishingly quiet. At 200 miles per hour, the noise level inside rarely exceeds 65 decibels, roughly equivalent to a normal conversation. Safety is the cornerstone of every design decision in the cabin. The emergency brake handle sits prominently on the left-hand console, painted bright red for instant visibility. There are backup control switches that operate independently from the main digital systems in case of a software malfunction. Fire suppression sensors and smoke detectors are integrated discreetly into the ceiling panels. A thermal camera monitors the pantograph, the device connecting the train to overhead power lines to detect overheating or sparks. Even the windshield is equipped with a high-pressure water spray system to maintain visibility during dust storms or heavy rain, conditions occasionally encountered in the Central Valley. One cannot ignore the human side of the driver's environment. Despite the overwhelming technology, the cabin has been designed to feel calm, balanced, and human-friendly. The seat position aligns naturally with the central axis of the windshield, giving the operator a sense of command without intimidation. The handles and switches have tactile feedback, not too light, not too stiff. Each button emits a soft click when pressed, providing physical confirmation. Air conditioning vents are adjustable and nearly silent, ensuring a comfortable climate even during hot California summers. The scent of new materials, leather, brushed metal, and synthetic polymer, fills the air, reminding anyone who enters that this is a machine built for the future. The interior soundscape also contributes to the cabin's character. At low speed, there's a faint electrical hum from the traction motors. As speed increases, the hum deepens into a smooth, continuous tone, almost musical. The rails produce a muted whisper beneath the floor, steady and rhythmic. Combined with the quiet glow of the dashboard and the steady pulse of the displays, the cabin feels like a living organism, breathing, thinking, and moving through space. During live operations, the driver communicates frequently with the control center. Commands are exchanged digitally, and visual alerts flash across the main display when entering or exiting different zones. The system automatically logs every event: acceleration, braking, signal changes, door cycles, and environmental readings. This data helps engineers analyze performance and maintenance needs. The onboard AI system can even recommend adjustments in driving patterns to optimize energy efficiency or braking smoothness, reducing mechanical wear over time. In case of technical issues, the driver can access a maintenance diagnostics screen, displaying color-coded alerts. Green indicates normal status, yellow signals advisory warnings, and red denotes immediate action required. Each alert includes step-by-step response guidance. The simplicity of this interface allows quick decision-making even under pressure. It's this combination of automation and intuitive human interface design that defines the California high-speed rail system as a new benchmark in American rail technology. From a design perspective, the driver's cabin reflects the larger vision of California itself: sleek, sustainable, forward-looking, and artistically minimal. It's a fusion of engineering and elegance. The choice of materials, the flow of surfaces, the integration of light and sound, all contribute to a sense of confidence and precision. The California High-Speed Rail Authority worked closely with international experts from Europe and Japan to adapt best practices from existing high-speed systems like the Shinkansen and TGV, while meeting strict American safety regulations. When viewed from outside, the cabin's glass glows faintly under the California sun, hinting at the advanced technology within. Inside, it feels like stepping into the future, a quiet revolution in motion. The driver becomes the pilot of a land-based aircraft, commanding thousands of horsepower with fingertip precision. Through the wide windshield, the horizon stretches endlessly, golden light reflecting off the polished tracks. Every sound, every vibration, every light pulse is a reminder that this machine is more than transportation. It is a symbol of progress, ambition, and human ingenuity. As the train races south from Merced toward Bakersfield, the world outside seems to dissolve into streaks of light and color. Yet inside the cabin, there's tranquility, an oasis of control amid motion. The California high-speed rail driver's cabin stands as a tribute to technology serving humanity, blending strength with sophistication, and speed with serenity. It's not just where the journey is controlled, it's where the future is being driven, 1 mile at a time.